Welcome to a quick guide on how to show that you read a message on WhatsApp web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wondered how to confirm to your contacts that you've seen their message, this video has you covered with a simple step-by-step walkthrough. First, open WhatsApp web in your preferred browser and sign in with your phone. Once you're connected, look to the upper left corner of the chat list and click the three vertical dots to open the menu. From this menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. If you don't see settings right away, click the gear icon that appears near the bottom left of your chat list. That's a doorway to the privacy options you'll need. In Settings, find and click Privacy. This section controls several visibility aspects of your WhatsApp presence. The option you're after is Read Receipts. By toggling Read Receipts on, you enable the system that sends a double blue check mark when you've read a message. Conversely, turning Read Receipts off will prevent others from seeing when you've read their messages, though it also hides your own receipt from others. Make the choice that fits how you want to manage your conversations. Note that on WhatsApp web, the Read Receipts feature works similarly to the mobile app, but there can be caveats. For instance, certain message types or group settings might not reflect read status in real time, and some corporate or device restrictions could affect visibility. If you don't immediately see the blue ticks after enabling Read Receipts, give the page a moment or refresh the browser to ensure the change takes effect. If you value transparency and want to confirm to friends and colleagues when you've seen their messages, keep Read Receipts turned on. If privacy is your priority, you can disable it, understanding that you'll lose the ability to see others' read statuses as well. With these steps, you're now in control of how you communicate your message read status on WhatsApp web, using the newest update to tailor your experience.